Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Data on Tour. So here we are going to provide you every information of a job in detail. If you want to get every information by sitting in a home, then join our Telegram and WhatsApp. So easily you can build your career. So let's start guys without any wasting our time. So today's company is Capgemini. So here you must be work as network engineer. So let's see in detail about that all. Here they had been mentioned about their company. Go through it. You will get a small idea of their company. So let's see what are the requirement for the placement to get a job. Company name as we know Capgemini. Position is network engineer. Salary is 3 to 4 lakh. They are giving 3 to 4 lakh guys for a network engineer. It is the best salary in Capgemini. Batches are for 2022, 21 and 20. So this batch people can be only apply for this company. Experience fresher or you might be have 1 year of experience. So even if you are fresher it is also fine. Even if you have experience of 1 year that is also best thing. So location is Gorgon. So here they had been mentioned. So but they didn't mention any last date. If you want to apply then as much as fast you must be apply guys. So they didn't mention any last date. So to join our Telegram and WhatsApp, just one click here guys. So you will be automatically join our Telegram, Instagram, YouTube. So join as much as fast. So here they had been mentioned job responsibilities. Lot of points they had been gone through it. So let's see in detail about one by one. Able to identify problem and provide input to resolve network related issue. Seek approximate level of guidance and avoidance to ensure delivery of quality outcomes. Regular participate in a project or activities as a contributing team member. Actively acquire more complex skill, technicals, operating, practice, knowledge of abstract concepts to progress towards full proficiency in network technologies. Knowledge of computer technology, routing and switching, collaboration, data center, wireless security, cloud-based support. CCNA certificate perfect. Excellent communication skill open for working in night shift. Candidate should be ready to sign services agreement. Terms will be shared during hiring processes. The candidate should be ready to work out of crowd. So the candidate must be have this all responsibilities guys. You must be have best communication skill. Even whatever they had been shown you give you agreement for hiring processes. You must be tell everything else. So even you must be ready for night shift also. So here they had been mentioned eligible criteria. B.Tech MCA from any stream. Salary will be 3 lakh for an initial 6 months prohibition period and will be reduced 4 lakh on success completions of prohibition period. So perfect skill, good communication skill, customer service orientations and ability to work in a team with a flexibility and enthusiasm. Knowledge of managing IT, help desk, incident management, asset management, process, asset lifecycle, asset register, maintaining and handling stocks, binder management. So if you want to apply then just a one click guys here you will be apply for this company as much as fast you must be apply because they didn't mention any last date. I hope you had been got all the clarities of a Capgemini. So fresher they are providing best salary only guys. So as much as fast you must be apply. So apply everyone. Thank you.